College is a very crucial phase for every student. It teaches you a lot about life. Dunlop Street LN5 in Lincoln makes it even more exciting with its exceptional facilities and a space to be with you throughout those magical days. Dunlop Street LN5 is a fully furnished student accommodation offering you a non-ensuite apartment, a comfy bed, a study table, and a spacious wardrobe for your essentials. You get a shared kitchen inside the apartment with all the essentials like an oven and a large refrigerator, where you can begin your own cookery show with your roommates. You also get a 32-inch smart TV, where you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy some thrilling nights together. The location speaks for itself, as there are a lot of tourist attractions very close to the residence. The University of Lincoln and Bishop Grosseteste University are just a short ride away. For adventurous souls, LNER Stadium and Lincoln Tank Memorial Museum are just a few blocks away, making it convenient for you to commute. So come think and secure your room within a blink by visiting emberstudent.com now.